Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You can see on the left 2004 Toyota RAV4, and I would like to make a very short video to show you where the battery in this SUV, mini SUV is located. Obviously observing the battery terminals, right, for oxidation and so on, it should be always part of the regular maintenance checks. But where the battery is located in this car? If you keep looking with me, normally, right, you will expect it here. You might even say, oh, is the tray missing? Did somebody put it in the trunk? Right, this Sequoia has it in the very obvious and standard location. Or are you thinking, is it on like BMWs, that it's located in the trunk, or some Mercedes has it underneath the seat, right? Rear seat, all kinds of locations you can see. But where is battery on this RAV4? Well, fortunately it's very easy, and Toyota just hid it a little bit behind this cover, right? If you read the tag, it says the battery is located under this cover, and if you flip these things, you immediately see the contacts, right? This was the cover of it, and I can see this battery, it's pretty tiny, but you know, maybe it was serviced because I don't see any oxidation and anything bad on it. So I will say this is in the good shape and we are good to go. And that again confirmed what I see through this vehicle. There was definitely some level of maintenance performed on this. Not that it's perfect, I just discovered the automatic transmission fluid is really old and burned, but other than that it seemed to be maintained in past. And make sure you are subscribed, because I'm filming a lot about this RAV4 and it will be posted on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.